Stronger relationships mean stronger offers for our sellers. It's Rob Wilson with SouthTampaTeardowns.com. I'm the Director of Dirt with Exit Bayshore Realty. We're at the Tampa Bay Builders Association Meet the Builder event today, looking just to build on some of the relationships we have with the builders in the local market that are buying lots and teardowns in South Tampa. And the reason this is so important for us is, just a couple quick examples. Number one, we've got a closing later on this month in October that actually came from some of our networking with the Builders Association. We had struggled in certain neighborhoods to kind of break through the 350 threshold. We really didn't have a strong buyer in that 350 to 400 and up price point, and through some of our networking we were able to get a great builder who's in that price point, and our first closing with them is going to be at the end of this month, which is really helping a family get closer to their grandkids, I think is the background story on that one. And then last year around May or June, I forget exactly when, one of our best clients, and actually a couple of our best clients that were in some of the lower price points, the 125 to 175 South of Gandy price point, they had spent their budgets, and we had come across a home seller that finally made the decision to sell, but had a really hard deadline. They had a property tax auction because their property taxes hadn't been paid in 3 years. They were going to literally lose their property on, I think it was like a Thursday in May. And there were some really bad weather around that time, if you remember, or maybe it was June, now that I think about it. But regardless of it, I remember that we needed to close by a certain date because that seller was going to lose their house because they were 3 years late on their taxes. So another new builder that we had built a relationship wrote that offer. They knew how important it was to close. They were going to, the seller was going to lose their house on a Thursday, and despite a storm, I think it was one of the tropical storms or something that came through town in 2017, we closed on a Monday or a Tuesday, and that stopped the sale that would have happened on a Thursday. So we're always out networking, so we have the right builder that's willing to pay a fair price in different neighborhoods, and also to make sure that we are able to provide you with the best customer service experience that we can. I'm Rob Wilson again. I'm with SouthTampaTeardowns.com and Exit Bayshore Realty. If you've got a property to sell, give me a call at 813-784-4199, or you can request your offer online at SouthTampaTeardowns.com. Thanks.